So in storage classes, we have seen the auto storage class, static storage class, and external storage class. Next is the register storage class. Registers are same as the auto variables. So we can say register storage can be applied only to auto variables. Auto variables, that means local variables. So default value of register storage class is garbage value. So register cannot be storage global variable. So what is the memory storage of auto variable? So auto variable are stored in its text section of the memory. So register storage class are not stored in any memory. It is directly dealing with the processor registers. So it is stored in internal CPU registers. So internal CPU registers are faster than external RAM. So register storage type, this is we can apply it to the only local variables. Default value is the garbage value. Register can be stored as a globe, cannot be stored. So here cannot is the highlighted part, cannot be the store as a global variable. Memory, it is stored in its internal CPU register. That means we already know in our memory have a internal registers are available. That register, when we use a register storage class, it is directly dealing with the register, but register number are very less. So very less number memory we can store in the register, or it is very faster than other register, other storage type. So register is the very faster, but there is very less number of the registers are available inside the CPU registers. So because of that reason, it may be the create problem also. So what is the scope? Scope is within a function or within a block. It's also same as the auto variable. We cannot able to apply any reference operator or address operator to the register storage type. Can't able to apply reference or address to the register storage type. So we cannot able to apply any address and any um, reference. So what is the life? Life is same as a auto variable. When function gets created, life will start. When function get terminated, life end. Similar in the block also. Okay, this is the register storage type. We can see with one program how to use a register. 88.c code. Register integer h, integer I, anything we can take. For I is equal to 0, I less than 2000, I plus plus, printf percentage d slash n dash I. So it will print till 2000. Okay. So like this way we can use the register storage class. Register storage class have no address, so because of that reason we cannot able to store address inside that. That's it. So write down this program.